audience.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने
A big
की
hand for them
आशा,
once again, audience.
आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा।
Wow, that was really a good performance. Once again, a big hand for them, audience.
Performance, there are entertainment, और आज होने वाला है full on entertainment. So, let's begin with the games. First of all, we have the tongue twisters. We would like to tell you the rules. We have tongue twisters first of all as the game of the day, and Avishidi will tell you the rules of the game. Firstly, we would say the tongue twisters, and whosoever thinks that they are able to see it thrice, kindly raise your hands. And whosoever will say it correctly 3 times without any fumble, they'll get rewarded. So the first tongue twister is Kacha papad, pakka papad, kacha papad, pakka papad. You have to repeat it 3 times without any fumble. I repeat it again. Kacha papad, pakka papad, kacha papad, pakka papad. And whosoever thinks that they are able to say it, kindly raise your hands. Raise your hands, audience. Yes, the gentleman. The front gentleman with blue t-shirt. Please, sir. Sir, your name?
Mayank Srivastav.
Sir, the kacha papad and pakka papad, you have to repeat it 3 times. Yes.
Kacha papad, pakka papad, 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 kacha papad.
Oh, a huge round of applause for him. I would like to request anyone of the dignitary to please come forward to give the gift. Please, sir. A round of applause, audience.
Thank you very much, Vaishnavi and Avishi. Now we are proceeding the program forward.
पेड़ों की छांव में बसी है खुशियों की बात, पेड़ों की छांव में बसी है खुशियों की बात, जंगल का हर रंग लाए नए उमंगों की सौगात, जंगल का हर रंग लाए नए उमंगों की सौगात. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey into the enchanting world of the jungle, a realm where the wonders of nature await at every turn. Picture yourself surrounded by the towering trees, vibrant flowers, and the enthralling sounds of the wildlife that echo through the air.
Through their colorful performances, they will take you on an exploration filled with joy, laughter, and the thrill of discovery. So get ready to be amazed as these little stars guide you through the captivating experience that celebrates the splendor of the natural world.
So, please welcome our little explorers from class 1st to 5th as they take the stage for their splendid dance performance based on the theme Jungle, prepared by Kratika Vora ma'am and Shivani Jain ma'am under the supervision of Rishabh sir. So, please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
King of Africa.
Can we have a huge round of applause, please?
Wow, this place is look like a gold mine. Look at all these trees. Each tree is just waiting to be chopped. Let's clear this land fast and build something huge. Maybe resort, malls, highways, or luxury apartments. Nature is just an obstacle to our success. Yes, have you taken the measurements? Yes, sir.
Oh my God! The moment has come. The jungle's finest creatures will soon be mine. Look at them, free, untamed, powerful. But what is the use of this power? It cannot be harnessed. Look at this lion. Yes, you belong to the jungle. But now, in my circus, I will own you and tame you. Oh, the money, the wealth that will come from every ticket sold to see these beasts perform on my words. Let's cage them all!
sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said we were to gain? What about killing fears? Is there a time? What about all the things that you said was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the blood we shed before? Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth, this weeping shore?
What we have done. The jungle was full of life, and now it has become like a graveyard of chopped trees and broken spirits. How scary they look! We often forget that the creatures who share this planet with us are not voiceless. They are just unheard. And if we don't act now, their end will become ours too. Remember, what goes around comes back around. The harm we cause to nature will one day surely come back to haunt us. पेड़ों में ताली बजी, पत्तों की सीटी बजी, अजी हंसी मची बच्चों की। मोर गिलहरी हिरन सुनहरी उछल रहा है। जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है। जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है। पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। मेंढक मेंढक कौआ कोयल, कोयल कौआ मेंढक मेंढक सब सुनते हैं कान लगाकर। शेर खान जब बोले अपनी पूंछ उठाकर। कालू काला बघीरा लेकिन दूर खड़ा है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है।
Wow, that was really an enthusiastic and
एक कहानी एक सच्चाई। नमस्ते, आज हम आपको एक कहानी सुनाएंगे जो आपको सोचने पर मजबूर कर देगी। आइए सुनते हैं ये कहानी रोहन की ज़ुबानी।
नमस्ते, मेरे किरदार का नाम है रोहन और रोहन की कहानी शुरू हुई थी 10 साल पहले, जब उसने अपनी पहचान को समझना शुरू किया था।
जो किरदार मैं निभा रही हूँ उसका नाम है प्रिया। प्रिया ने रोहन का उसके सफ़र में साथ दिया। उन्होंने एक दूसरे को समझा और एक दूसरे का समर्थन किया।
क्या हुआ जब रोहन ने अपने घर वालों को बताया?
रोहन ने अपने घर वालों को बताने की कोशिश तो करी, लेकिन समाज की उन हथकड़ियों ने उन्हें रोक दिया।
फिर भी उन्होंने हार नहीं मानी। उन्होंने एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़कर एक नया सफ़र शुरू किया।
तुम्हारी कहानी अनोखी है, इसे दुनिया को बताओ। तुम्हारी जिंदगी सिर्फ और सिर्फ तुम्हारी है, इसे अपने तरीके से निभाओ, अपने तरीके से निभाओ। So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the APSA Gold Achievers ranking first position. Please welcome our dance crew of St. Andrews Public School to set the stage on fire. This performance is choreographed by Rishabh Singh sir and Divisha Gidwani ma'am. Please give them a huge round of applause.
जैसी हो वैसी ही आ जाओ, सिंगार को रहने दो। जैसी हो वैसी ही आ जाओ, सिंगार को रहने दो। बाल अगर बिखरे हैं, सीधी मांग नहीं निकली, बांधे नहीं अंगिया के फीते, तो भी कोई बात नहीं। जैसी हो वैसी ही आ जाओ, सिंगार को रहने दो।
ये क्या तमाशा लगा रखा है? चल मेरे साथ, आज के बाद देख मत जाना आसपास। और तू अब जी अपनी जिंदगी इन जैसों के साथ।
भीगी भीगी सी है रातें, भीगी भीगी यादें, भीगी भीगी बातें, भीगी भीगी आंखों में कैसी नमी है। आहा सपनों का साया पलकों पे आया, पल में हंसाया, पल में रुलाया, फिर भी ये कैसी कमी है। आहा
बहुत बना लिया शौक। अगर एक किन्नर की दुआ लगती है तो बद्दुआ कई ज्यादा लगती है।
Can we have a huge round of applause, please?
जब से पहना है मैंने ये इश्क सहरा, खली बली हो गया है दिल, दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल, खली बली हो गया है दिल, दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल। जब से पहना है मैंने ये इश्क सहरा, खली बली हो गया है दिल।
हम भी देश के लिए लड़ सकते हैं और हम भी देश के लिए जीत सकते हैं। हम भी हर वो काम कर सकते हैं जो देश का हर नागरिक कर सकता है।
धीम तदरे दनी धीम तदरे दनी धीम तना दरे ना धीम तदरे दनी धीम तदरे दनी धीम तना दरे ना ओ दानी दर दर तानी तना दरना ओ दानी दर दर तानी तना दरना दिना ओ दानी दिलदा
Give them a big hand audience!
Anam taram tam taranam 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 Anam taram tam taranam taranam taranam
Wow, what a bombastic performance it was. Can we have a huge round of applause once again? Words are the powerful motivators that have the ability to transform the history of a nation, bring transition and perception in a mindset of people. So, to enlighten us with their words, I would like to call our honorable chief guest, Brigadier N.S. Tariq sir. So please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Dr. Girdhar, esteemed guests, the management, members of the faculty, the parents, and beyond all, the lovely children. I am quite regular at attending the functions in various schools, and I would begin by admitting that perhaps one of the finest functions that I have ever seen is the one that we are still witnessing. So the children are the ones who put up this performance, and if you can perform like this in a function of this gathering, then I'm sure you are in safe hands. My compliments to all the children, the people who've gone behind to prepare it. They deserve a special mention, and down to the last technician who's involved. So my compliments to each one of them too. The third section, which Principal Ma'am mentioned in the beginning, that for an academic institutions there are three pillars, and the third is the parents. But before I speak to the parents, I would make a special mention to the Principal Ma'am. What I saw, what stood out clearly in the entire performance was the happy mood of the children, these smiles. Those smiles will never come if a choreographer choreographs the act only for a day. That is actually a reflection of the atmosphere which exists in the school. And so, ma'am, compliments to you and the entire faculty, wherever you are, because I am sure you are giving these children the kind of atmosphere that they need. Now let me come to the parents. You know, the parents is one gathering, just say, you know, the staff also is a little, inhibited when it comes to dealing with the parents. So let me do this job. Look, I am also a parent. Let us realize that for a child, there are two things which are most important. One is the sleep, and the second is the game. Now, when a child gets up in the morning, the mother shakes him awake, says, "Beta, उठ जा, school जाना है." So that one statement is actually conveying कि आपकी नींद का दुश्मन आपका स्कूल है. Anyway, the child goes to the school. School से वापस आकर, the child is very inquisitive, very happy. I am sure she must have got some goods from her principal, teachers, किसी ने कुछ appreciate किया होगा. Now that bubbly child comes back home and she has a lot of stories to tell about the school. And that's the time the father is away and the mother is busy. You know, your theme was Bollywood. So let me invoke, we have a Bollywood, somebody called Ekta Kapoor. Now the mother is busy with Ekta Kapoor and therefore she tells the child, "Baith ja." So the second excitement to the child when it came, after attending the school, we've killed that. Then comes the evening. शाम को बच्चा तैयार है खेलने के लिए जाने के लिए, and that's the time when as a parent I say, पहले homework करो फिर जाओ. So therefore in the third statement what we've done is, उसके स्कूल का जो दूसरा दुश्मन था, हमने वो सबके सामने खड़ा कर दिया. Now please think, अगर हमारे normal statements are only conveying that school is a punishment or against the two most important things, where is the excitement for the school? And then we send the child to the school for 6 hours in a day, 5 hours maybe. The balance 19 hours the child is at home. So the greater learning, ladies and gentlemen, is at the home and not in the school. We as parents must start giving time to the children. When we get back home, when a child gets back home, please spend a couple of minutes, take a rundown of what the child did in the school. Take my guarantee that every day the child will learn something new and come back and tell you that this is what I learned in the school. And that's what you are sending your children to the school for. The second part is associated with outdoor activities. Please remember, the school will be able to give you a good atmosphere, but the peer learning, the overall development of the personality of a child happens in a group. बच्चा बाहर निकलेगा, दूसरे बच्चे उसे बुली करेंगे, उसे नहीं खेलने देंगे. That is the time when he or she will learn how to deal with bullies in the society. We have a new disease which is called mental health. It is we who are responsible for creating mental health problems for our children. Please push your children out of your homes. Let them go out. They are not missing anything. They will only learn anything. I will leave the parents only with these 2-3 thoughts and not take much time. And before I close, I have one last word to mention to you. We all are capable of doing anything that we decide to do. We give up not because of our capabilities, but we give up here. If any of you finds time, I am sure you are seeing me as a fit man standing right in front of you. If any of you find time and want to take an experiment for yourself, please open the TEDx talks. Locate me on the TEDx, see what my state inside is. In fact, I stand with about 92 centimeters of steel inside my body now. What I want to say is that until you give up yourself in your mind, you can do anything. तो अपने बच्चों को push करें, बाहर निकालें, and don't worry about the percentages. Our percentages will come because उन percentages के साथ में बच्चे की holistic growth होगी. And what I see in this school is a very good atmosphere. I think your children are in safe hands. So I'll end by complimenting the entire management, the faculty, and down to the last man who is present here, including the last technician which I see here. Thank you very much, and may God bless us all.
Precious time with us. Your aura has lent a unique charm to our occasion. Thank you very much. Can we have a huge round of applause for our honorable chief guest?
As our achievements are limitless. Necessary for our students to get updated with current affairs. Plenty of quiz contests were conducted to develop their general knowledge and intellectual skills.
Hindustan Olympiads. Our school proudly hosted the Hindustan Olympiad for classes 1st to 12th, encouraging students to showcase their academic powers. St. Andrew's aim is to prepare students not only for academic but for real-world challenges. This academic year, our talented students have also participated in India Genius Award, National Olympiad, glorious results, won various gold and silver medals. Overall, we received 2nd position in Agra and 27th position at national level.
Vidya Aram Ceremony. The school is a building with 4 walls and tomorrow inside. The tiny tots of Andrewsian families celebrated the Vidya Aram ceremony with great zest and fervor. The occasion was intended to introduce young minds into the folds of knowledge.
Earth Day, to sensitize the children to become the crusaders of environmental conservation, the Andrewsian family celebrated the Earth Day on 22nd April 2024 with a special assembly and a poetry workshop.
Pool Party, a fun-fledged school experience for our tiny tots to beat the scorching heat. The pool party is really a cherishing experience for our toddlers.
Elocution activity. Beauty is the realm of poetry, and English elocution competition enhances the confidence, articulation skills, stage fear, and groom the personality as a whole.
Orientation activity. To give a warm welcome to all the new students, an interactive orientation session was being conducted for the students to make them acquainted with the rules and protocols and get comfortable with the system.
Palette Paradise. Unleashing the hidden Picasso of our students, an activity was conducted called Palette Paradise to foster artistry skills in our students.
Celebration is the joyful recognition of our achievements and the moments that bring us together, reminding us of the beauty in life's journey.
Independence Day. We Andrewsians celebrated Independence Day with great zeal and enthusiasm. Students showcased their talents through patriotic performances, heartfelt speeches, and vibrant displays of national pride.
Labor Day. As Mahatma Gandhi rightly said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. St. Andrew School paid tribute to the contribution of workers and labor by honoring their dedication and hard work.
Yoga Day. On June 21st, Andrew School celebrated International Yoga Day. Through this, we enlightened our students that yoga is not just an exercise, but a way we hope to incorporate yoga into our daily routines to promote well-being of our students' committee.
World Heritage Day, an amalgamation of inherited traditions, monuments, objects, and culture. We are gifted with this exquisite heritage, and every year our school celebrates this great day at Agra Fort, representing our Indian ethics and values.
Basant Panchami, dedicated to Goddess Saraswati, we celebrate Basant Panchami with great zeal and zest and marks the arrival of spring season.
Ambedkar Jayanti, to pay tribute to a Dr. Ambedkar Sahib, the farmer of Indian Constitution and the framer, our students celebrated his birthday to commemorate his teachings and works to eradicate social evils.
Janmashtami, sweeter than honey, tastier than curd, pleasanter indeed than any happiness. To celebrate the birthday of Sri Krishna, our little toddlers celebrate Janmashtami with great pomp and zeal.
Graduation Day. To make an end is to make a new beginning. Our school celebrated its kindergarten graduation ceremony with great fanfare to mark the culmination of their preschool years.
Diwali celebration, victory of good over evil. Our students had a Diwali celebration with a strong message of being eco-friendly. Students dressed up in traditional attires performed various meaningful poems and Nukkad Natak, urging the messages to celebrate Green Diwali.
As Sachin Tendulkar rightly said, chase your dreams, but make sure you don't find any shortcuts.
We are incredibly proud of our budding athletes and the spirit they have displayed, knowing that their accomplishment is just the beginning. Following are the glimpses of sports achievements of our school for the session 2024-2025.
As the name suggests, is a group or bunch in which CBSE conducts level sports and games competition for school across India, giving them national platform to represent themselves in Khelo India. Our zone covers the entire region, including Jhansi, Agra, Lucknow, Delhi, and many more cities.
Basketball CBSE cluster Bhagpat UP under 14 boys category we secured silver medal, and under 19 boys category we secured a bronze medal.
Kabaddi CBSE cluster Khatima Uttarakhand bronze medal.
Kho-Kho cluster Hathras under 19 boys category we secured a bronze medal, and under 14 boys category we secured a silver medal.
CBSE cluster volleyball at Fatehabad under 19 boys secured gold medal.
CBSE cluster athletics at Noida, gold medal in discus throw under 17 boys, gold medal in javelin throw under 17 boys, silver medal in javelin throw under 19 boys.
Bronze medal in 100-meter race under 19 boys, bronze medal in 4 into 100-meter relay race under 19 boys.
In national tournament event, Kabaddi boys under 19 secured first position.
CBSE National Taekwondo, we secured 2 bronze medals.
In National Taekwondo Championship, we secured a gold medal.
In state tournament event, we secured first gold medal, 2 silver medal, and 3 bronze medal by state Taekwondo Championship.
In 24th UP State Inter-School Shooting Championship event, open sight 0.177 air rifle youth man team, we secured first position.
In open sight 0.177 air rifle sub-youth men team, we secured second position.
In open sight 0.177 air rifle youth women individual, we secured a bronze medal.
In open sight 0.177 air rifle sub-youth women individual, we secured silver and bronze medal.
In open sight 0.177 air rifle sub-youth women team, we secured first position.
In open sight 0.177 air rifle youth women team, we also secured first position.
In air pistol 0.177 youth men team, we secured third position.
In qualified for national and north zone, we qualified and secured first position. Okay.
In district tournament event, basketball boys under 17, we secured first position.
In basketball 3x3 boys under 14, we also secured first position.
In gymnastic under 17, we secured 1 silver medal and 3 bronze medal.
In talent hand badminton, we secured second position.
In Indian Railway badminton, we also secured second position.
In Colonel's Brightland Cup Boxing Championship, we secured 2 silver medal and 2 bronze medal.
Among 59 schools of the district and among thousands of students who participated in various competitions, our students came out with flying colors in different sports. Following are the glimpses of the endeavors.
In the basketball event, boys category, we secured first position.
In skating, we secured overall first position.
In handball boys, we secured overall second position.
In badminton, boys double, we secured second position.
In girls double, we secured third position. And in boys single, we secured third position.
In taekwondo boys junior, we secured first position. In taekwondo boys senior, we secured second position, as well as in girls senior.
As well as in girls junior, second position.
In gymnastic girls, we secured overall first and third position.
And in boys, we secured second position.
In boxing boys junior, we secured second position.
In boys volleyball senior category, we secured second position.
In kabaddi boys senior, we secured second position.
In Kho-Kho, girls senior and girls junior, we secured second and third position.
In shooting teams, girls pistol and boys pistol, we secured first position.
Moon Olympics 2024-2025. We not only stopped here, but also we were the winners of consecutive 12 years for the Moon Olympics, Great Maharaja Trophy, Junior Maharaja and Junior Maharani Trophy. But perseverance of St. Andrews doesn't end here. Andrewsians are charged up to grab the trophy once again with their determination and hard work.
Can we have a huge round of applause for the achievers?
Thank you very much.
Now I would request our honorable guest of honor, Dr. Lavanya sir, to kindly come on to the stage to say a few words. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone.
Respected sir, thank you for inviting me. Respected ma'am and parents. ब्रिगेडियर साहब ने काफ़ी कुछ सबको बता ही दिया है. आई विल नॉट टेक मच टाइम, बट जस्ट फोकस ऑन सर्टेन पॉइंट्स मैम. लाइक एज पेरेंट्स यू शुड बी वेल वर्स विद दीज थिंग्स. एज सर एम्पलीफाइड ऑन अ पॉइंट कि यू शुड गिव टाइम टू योर किड्स. बिलीव मी, this is such an important point which is missing in our families these days, because somehow or the other both the parents are working. Even if they are not working, their busy schedule is something like whenever the kid is there with them, they are not giving quality time to their kids. Parents, please try to listen what I am saying. I think it is a bit important for your kids. Supposingly, a child of 3 years is doing some painting, and with dirty hands, the child comes to the father, see Papa, मैंने क्या बनाया है? And Papa is busy on the phone. Father involuntarily says कि बेटा मैं अभी busy हूँ, थोड़ी देर में बात करूँगा. आपको पता नहीं है आपने कितना नुकसान किया उस बच्चे का साइकोलॉजिकली. वो एक पेंटिंग जो आपके लिए किसी काम की नहीं थी, उस बच्चे के लिए उस समय की सारी दुनिया थी, और आपने उसे उस समय वैल्यू नहीं दिया। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू बी into your kids' memories tomorrow, be into their lives today. It is very important. एक स्टेज तक आप उनकी लाइफ में एंटर कर सकते हो, अगर आपने वो नहीं किया उनकी अपनी दुनिया बन जाएगी, फिर उसमें आप नहीं आ पाएंगे, फिर आप रिपेंट नहीं कर सकते कि भाई हमारा बच्चा हमें टाइम नहीं देता है। यू हैव टू गिव टाइम टू देम। आप प्रोफेशनली कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, बट देयर शुड बी अ बैलेंस ऑफ इट। I can tell you a case which came to my clinic, and it was something, eye-opener. A 12-year child, कहीं से उसके पापा को पता लगा कि बच्चों को मुझे टाइम देना चाहिए। फादर वॉज नॉट गिविंग टाइम टू द चाइल्ड, तो then father started like dropping the child to the school and collecting him back from the school. Father was not even aware कि who the friends are. Then after 3-4 days, the child messaged to his friend when father was bringing him back from school that I don't know what has happened to my father, he is taking interest in my class and friends. It should be an eye opener, because ये बच्चे बहुत जल्दी बड़े हो रहे हैं। एक क्वालिटी टाइम बच्चों के साथ अगर आपने स्पेंड नहीं किया, एंड इट हैज़ टू बी एन एटलीस्ट 30 minutes टाइम, बी इट ऑन द डाइनिंग टेबल, wherever it is, but please do spend. Otherwise, it's going to be a problem. Screen is taking much of the time. Please try to give some quality time to your kids. Thank you. Thank you.
Lavania sir, as a token of love and gratitude. Thank you so much, sir, for sparing your precious time with us. Team Andrews are extremely grateful to that. Can we have a huge round of applause for our guest of honor? Thank you, sir. A huge round of applause, please.
We have the next game, which is the Hindi translations of Bollywood songs, and you have to guess the song in Hindi and you have to sing the lyrics of these songs as well. The first one is, the sun has dimmed, the moon started burning, the sky has started melting. Why is it melting? I repeat it again. The sun has dimmed, the moon started burning, the sky has started melting. Why is it melting? Anybody from the audience, please raise your hands. Yes, sir, please. Yes, sir, you can. Sir, your name?
Manoj Agrawal.
Sir, you have guessed the song? Kindly sing it, please.
सूरज हुआ मध्यम, चांद जलने लगा, आसमां ये है यूं पिघलने लगा, मैं ठहरा रहा जमी चलने लगी, धड़का ये दिल सांस थमने लगी, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Wow,
much.
that's
A
amazing.
huge round of applause for him, audience. So kindly collect your memento. Yes, sir.
A huge round of applause, please. Congratulations, sir.
We will die but leave each other's side. Very easy one. We will not break this friendship. We will die but never leave each other's side. Anybody from the audience? Yes, ma'am. The beautiful lady in the pink suit, please come. Ma'am, can you tell your name, please?
Neeta Jain.
Ma'am, have you guessed the song?
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
Wow. A huge round of applause for ma'am. That was melodious.
I request our manager ma'am to kindly award her with a gift. A huge round of applause, please.
Thank you. माता पिता सब जानते हैं, वे हमें खुद से भी ज़्यादा पहचानते हैं. जब भी हम पर कोई मुसीबत आए तो वे ढाल बनकर हमारे आगे खड़े हो जाते हैं. हमारे सारे दुख वे खुद में समेटे, वे अपनी सारी खुशियाँ हमको दे देते. तभी तो शायद वे खुदा से भी ऊपर आते हैं, वे खुदा से भी ऊपर आते हैं.
For all the times that I forgot to thank you, for all the special things you do, for all the words that sometimes go unspoken, we need to say,
we love you, Mom and Dad. So, here comes the students from primary class, that is 1st to 5th, to set the stage on fire by the beautiful performance dedicated to our parents. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
मैं कभी बदलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ. यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ. तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता. मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ. भीड़ में यूं ना छोड़ो मुझे, घर लौट के भी आना पाऊँ माँ. भेजना इतना दूर मुझको तू, याद भी तुझको आना पाऊँ माँ. क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ, क्या इतना बुरा. मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ. जब भी कभी पापा मुझे जोर जोर से झूला झूलाते हैं माँ, मेरी नजर ढूंढे तुझे, सोचूं यही तू आके थामेगी माँ. उनसे मैं ये कहता नहीं, पर मैं सहम जाता हूँ मैं माँ. चेहरे पे आने देता नहीं, दिल ही दिल में घबराता हूँ माँ. तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता. मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ. This is for you, Papa. अंबर पे एक ही तारा अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम, पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना, हर मील का पत्थर तुम ही पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए। पापा मेरी जान हर दम रखना, अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम, पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना, हर मील का पत्थर तुम ही पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए। ला 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 We love you, Mummy, Papa.
Wow, that was something mind-blowing. Can we have a huge round of applause for little toddlers? Oh God, ये लाइट को भी अभी बीच प्रोग्राम में जाना था। टॉरेंट पावर को कॉल करती।
स्वागत है, वेलकम टू टॉरेंट पावर। हमारी जानकारी के अनुसार आपका सर्विस नंबर है 32509382। अगर आप इसी सर्विस नंबर के लिए कॉल कर रहे हैं तो 1 दबाएं, अन्यथा 2 दबाएं।
एक।
आपको हुई असुविधा के लिए हमें खेद है। हम आपको कुछ विकल्प प्रदान करना चाहेंगे। पोडियम लाइट ऑन करने के लिए 1 दबाएं।
1।
स्पॉटलाइट्स ऑन करने के लिए 2 दबाएं।
2।
ऑडियंस की तरफ लाइट करने के लिए 3 दबाएं।
3।
धन्यवाद, आपने बिल्कुल सही विकल्पों का चुनाव किया है। आपका दिन शुभ हो।
Thank you. Now let's resume with our धमाकेदार program with a huge round of applause.
हेलो हेलो, जय श्री कृष्ण। मैं अनुपमा चू।
अरे
और
ये सब यहाँ क्या हो रहा है?
सॉरी।
अरे अनुपमा, तुम एंड्रयूज के एनुअल फंक्शन पे क्या कर रही हो?
मैं घूमूं फिरूं नाचूं गाऊं हंसूं खेलूं, बाहर जाऊं अकेली जाऊं किसी और के साथ जाऊं, जहां जाऊं जब जाऊं जैसे भी जाऊं। आपको क्या?
अरे तुम तो पूरा कैरेक्टर में ही घुस गई, लेकिन ये कैरेक्टर में घुसने का समय नहीं है, हमें प्रोग्राम भी आगे बढ़ाना है।
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है ये मेरी और हम सब की मम्मियों का फेवरेट शो है ना?
बिल्कुल सही।
On this note, we are moving forward to our next performance.
From the flawless footwork to gravity, defying today's skating showcase is a celebration of skill,
artistry,
and the spirit of skating.
This skating showcase is prepared by our skating coach,
Mr. Paras Sharma, sir. So, let's welcome our talented skaters with a huge round of applause.
holla, 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 holla.
Y la cosa suena ra, y la cosa suena ra. Scooby-Doo papá, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum. Y la cosa suena ra, y la cosa suena ra. Scooby-Doo papá, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, pum 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 pum. Y la cosa suena ra, 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 ra. Scooby-Doo papá, y el pum 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 pum.
Audience, can we have a huge round of applause, please?
You don't know, eh? The boys know hot, men's never hot. Perspiration pain.
Please give them a huge round of applause, audience.
सुहाना मौसम, हवा का तराना, खुश रंग है प्रकृति का हर नजारा.
Every changing season teaches us about different things in life. From a taste of ice creams in summer to a sip of hot tea in winter. From summer's blaze to winter's freeze. Autumn's fall to spring's new breeze. Life never stops changing, but we always rise with new seasons.
So, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the students of primary class with their pleasant performance demonstrating different seasons, which is choreographed by Rinki Sharma ma'am and Riya Kukreja ma'am. So,
Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Wow, this autumn month is so relaxing and mesmerizing that I feel like dancing with its orange leaves. Why don't we dance?
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा. सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या.
Oh, what a tiring day. Why don't you have ice cream?
Hey, try this one and let's enjoy summery vibes.
Another
lockdown, oh lockdown. Girl, you sweet life, phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me, young girl, oh young girl. No tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh. Baby, come give me your lo, 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 oh, 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 oh. You got me like whoa, 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 whoa. Shawty, come give me your lo, 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 oh, 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 oh. I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now in my divine situation, I go use they tell I'm mellow. Finally, I find way to talk to the girl, but she ain't no one follow. When you gonna phone for one? When you know I come for one? Then I start to feel a bum bum one. But she dey give me small small one. I know, say she sabi pass it down one one. But she feeling insecure, cause her friends go they go my light ring go on. Go they go my light ring go on.
Hey everyone, come out. Look how all the trees and grass are covered in pink sheets. The spring has come.
Ho, ho, ho. Children, are you ready to dance with us on Christmas vibe in this chilling winter? Let's go.
Wow, that was indeed a lovely performance. They deserve a huge round of applause. They really pop up the feeling of festivities, right? In front of you all, the very unique talent of our school, that is the beat boxing. So I would like to invite Manthan Pathak of class 12th and Vansh Yadav of class 8th to kindly come forward and show some beatboxing skills. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Okay. Let's go. Can we have a huge round of applause for these talents?
Let us revive innocence through these little hearts. So please welcome the cast of Winnie the Pooh with a huge round of applause.
This performance is prepared by Miss Nupur Bansal ma'am and
Deep in the 100-acre wood, Christopher Robin and his friends have had many wonderful adventures, and if I'm correct, I believe we have just enough time to see one. On this crisp autumn morning, Winnie the Pooh was warming himself when he suddenly heard the familiar sound of his cuckoo clock. He was reminded that it was time to do something, but the exact something was something he couldn't quite remember.
Oh yes, time for my stoutness exercise. I am stout, round, and I have found, speaking poundage-wise, I improve my appetite when I exercise. Oh, stuff and fluff. That's better, thank you. Now where was I? Oh yes, I'm rumbly in my tumbly. Time for something sweet. I am short, fat, proud of that, and so with all my might, I up, down to my appetite's delight. While I up, down, touch the ground, I think of things to chew, like honey and milk and chocolate. With a hefty, happy appetite, I'm a hefty, happy poo.
With a hefty, happy appetite, he's a hefty, happy poo.
No bother, empty again. Only the sticky parts left. That buzzing noise means something. And the only reason for making a buzzing noise that I know of is because you're a bee. And the only reason for being a bee is to make honey.
And so Pooh went off in search of satisfaction. Deep in the 100-acre wood, Winnie the Pooh and his friends have had many great adventures, and here's a particularly fun one right now. One sunny day, Pooh, with the help of his friends, was working on a very elaborate plan to get some of his favorite food, honey. Piglet then arrived, quite curious as to what the plan was.
Rabbit, what are you doing? Oh, can't you tell? I'm lullabying the bees for our big plan.
Oh, why can't you let this old owl rest?
Eeyore, what are you doing?
I gotta use my big voice to tell the bees about the new hive. Buzz, buzz, great new hive.
Tigger, could you tell me what you're doing?
I have to hold the fake hive high enough for the bees to see. Oh, hello, Piglet.
Do the bees know the plan?
Did you hear something?
Oh, they're gone.
But Pooh needed a way to distract the bees.
Lullaby, lullaby, honeybees in the tree. Rest your wings till the morning light. Lullaby, lullaby, honeybees in the tree. Your honey is safe tonight. Just drink to the tune I am singing. Time to stop all that buzzing.
Hush, they are finally asleep.
So what do we do? Hide forever?
Oh, Fluff. Maybe we can be friends.
Hello, bees. Let's make a deal. We will not beg you in return for 2 jars of honey for me and my friends.
childhood days. A donkey named Eeyore is his friend, and Kanga and Little Woo, and Tigger too. There's Rabbit and Piglet, and there's Owl, but most of all, Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, tubby little cubby all stuffed with fluffies. Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, willy-nilly silly old bear. Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, tubby little cubby all stuffed with fluffies. Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, willy-nilly silly old bear.
Morning class, I am your new class teacher, Miss नैना माथुर. चा चा. वैसे पता है क्लास, एक कमाल की बात क्या है? ये चौक को ऊपर से हल्का सा तोड़ दो तो ये चूचू नहीं करती. चा चा. एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा, एक छोटा सा चेंज, यही फर्क है क्यों मैं और क्यों नहीं मैं. चा चा. वैसे मैं आपको एक और बात बताती हूँ जो कि मैंने खुद अपने एक्सपीरियंस से सीखी है. यही कि एक आम टीचर सिर्फ पढ़ाता है. चा चा चा. एक अच्छा टीचर समझाता है. बहुत अच्छा टीचर हो तो खुद करके बताता है. लेकिन कुछ टीचर्स होते हैं जो कि हमें इंस्पायर करके जाते हैं जिंदगी भर के लिए, जैसे कि हमारे एनवीयूज के टीचर्स. चा चा चा. ये इन्हीं टीचर्स की मेहनत का नतीजा है कि हमें हर साल इतने सारे रैंक होल्डर्स यानी कि हमारे टॉपर्स हमें मिलते हैं. चा चा चा. एंड नाउ इज द टाइम टू ऑनर द टॉपर्स ऑफ आवर स्कूल. For that, I would like to call our Honorable Chief Guest, Brigadier N.S. Tarak Sir, Presiding Guest, Dr. Sushma Singh Ma'am, Guest of Honor, Dr. Deepak Lavania Sir, esteemed CMD, Dr. Gurda Sharma Sir, all our respected MDs and other dignitaries to kindly come onto the stage for PD Slot 2. So please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Thank you. Cha cha.
Second position is secured by Ayush Divakar. Can we have a huge round of applause for them?
From class first A, second position is achieved by Piyush Divakar.
Moving on to class first B, second position is bagged by Himani Verma.
From class second A, the second hand holder is Shlok Agarwal.
From class second B, second position holder is Divyam Gupta.
Can we have a huge round of applause for them, audience? From class third A, second position is secured by Ishika Agarwal.
Moving on to class third B, second position is attained by Anya Agarwal.
From class 4th A, Ruhi Bansal have achieved second position.
From class 4th B, second position is secured by Sanvi Singh.
From class 5th A, Alok and Kumar have obtained second position.
From class 5th B, second position is attained by Savya Mittal.
Sakshi Jain have secured second position.
Meghavi Agarwal has secured second position.
Uppkar Singh have obtained second position.
Sakshi Verma has secured second position.
8B, Bhavya Rajput have secured second position. From class 9A, Abbas Bansal have secured second position. From class 9B, second position secured by Devanshu Gupta. From class 9C, Lavisha Gautam has secured second position. From class 9C, second position is obtained by Gaurav Goyal. From class 9E, Kashif Goyal has secured second position. From class 10, second position is obtained by Shreya Agarwal. From class 11, Kanishka Pushpa has secured second position. From class 11, Science B, second position is obtained by Bhush Motwani. From class 11, Commerce A, Vanshika Biwar has secured second position. From class 11, Commerce B, second position is acquired by Shrishti Gupta. Can we have a huge round of applause for them, audience?
Moving on to the third position holders.
From class nursery, third position is obtained by Karthik. From class LKG A, Shivansh Agarwal has secured third position. From class LKG B, third position is acquired by Ahana Rajour. From class UKG A, Kashif Sharma have obtained second position. From class UKG B, third position is secured by Shivraj Jindal. From class first A, Ishra Gupta have obtained third position. Can you have a huge round of applause for them, audience? From class first B, third position is backed by Manan Agarwal. From class second B, third position is attained by Anika Bansal. From class second B, third position is Naya Bhushan has secured third position. From class third B, third position is by Raghav Singhal. From class fourth A, Arun Sharma has achieved third position. From class fourth B, third position secured by Ayan Shah. From class fifth A, Vasudha Jindal have obtained third position. From class fifth B, third position is attained by Arya Soni. From class sixth A, Asad Rajput has secured third position. A huge round of applause for them, audience. From class 6B, third position is attained by Utkarsh Singh. From class 7A, Sakshi Verma have attained third position. From class 8B, third position is acquired by Kajal Singh. From class 8A, Aditi Mohana has achieved third position. From class 8B, third position is obtained by Riya Sarwar. 9A, Anubhuti Ashok. 9B, Kavya Jindal. Nancy Rohra from class 9C. 9B, Swasti Gupta. 9E, Uti Chaturvedi. 10, Shreya Agarwal. 11, Science A, Vaibhav Upadhyay, third position. 11, Science B, Ansh Gupta. 11, Commerce A, Ankit Agarwal. 11, Commerce B, Anshika Patel. Can we have a huge round of applause for them?
Congratulations to all the winners.
Ladies and gentlemen, Please buckle up for the finale performance of the evening. And I'm very grateful that you've been showering all your thunderous claps. This is the finale performance. Please encourage them with a huge round of applause.
हीरे मोती मैं ना चाहूं, मैं तो चाहूं संगम तेरा, मैं तो तेरी सैया तू है मेरा सैया सैया तू जो झूले प्यार से आराम से मर जाऊं, आजा चंदा बाहों में तुझ में गुम हो जाऊं, मैं तेरे नाम में खो जाऊं सैया सैया। ओरे पिया है, ओरे पिया, ओरे पिया है, ओरे पिया, ओरे पिया है, ओरे पिया। उड़ने लगा क्यों मन बाबुला रे, आया कहाँ से ये हौसला रे, ओरे पिया, ओरे पिया ताना बाना बुनती हवा है, बुनती हवा, बूंदे भी तो आए नहीं बाज यहाँ, साजिश में शामिल सारा जहां है, हर जर्रे जर्रे की ये इल्तिजा है, ओरे पिया, ओरे पिया है, ओरे पिया।
Wow, what an elegant end of the show. Can we have for these amazing girls? And now is the time to call upon our honorable presiding guest, Dr. Sushma Singh ma'am, to please come on to the stage to say a few words. Please welcome her with a huge round of applause, everyone.
सेंट एंड्रूज़ के जो संस्थापक थे रामवतास शर्मा जी हमारे परम पूज्य थे। उनकी हम पर बड़ा प्रेम था, बड़ी कृपा थी और उनसे बड़ा मिलना जुलना उठना बैठना था। हमारी संस्था जो हमने बना रखी है साहित्यकार महिलाओं के लिए, साहित्य साधिका समिति, उसको भी उनका बहुत आशीर्वाद मिला। तो यहाँ आकर उनकी बड़ी याद आई है और गिरधर जी ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से विरासत को संभाला है, बढ़ाया है और उनके साम्राज्य को विस्तृत किया है। इसके लिए मैं उन्हें बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। यहाँ आकर मैं बहुत भावविभोर हूँ और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। यहाँ की जो प्राध्यापिकाएं हैं, यहाँ का जो स्टाफ है, उसने भी इसको बढ़ाने में बहुत योगदान दिया है। यहाँ आज जो कुछ प्रस्तुत किया गया उसे देखकर लगता है कि यहाँ हर काम पर मेहनत होती है, परिश्रम किया जाता है, समय दिया जाता है और तभी यह सब कुछ संभव हो पाता है। इतने अच्छी तरह से सेटिंग्स की गई, इतनी अच्छी तरह से एक एक प्रस्तुति दी गई कि बस मन खुश हो गया। तो कुछ और कहने से पहले मैं ज़रा वाणी और गणेश की वंदना में 2 शब्द कहना चाहती हूँ। वंदे वाणी विनायकौ वर्णानाम अर्थ संघानाम रसानाम छंदसामपि मंगलानाम च कर्तारौ वंदे वाणी विनायकौ। तो इन क्या स्मरण करने के बाद मैं आपको अपनी शुभकामना देना चाहती हूँ। आज के दिन इन सब बच्चों के लिए, इन सब स्टाफ के लोगों के लिए, इन सब जो अध्यापकगण से अलग जो स्टाफ है उनकी भी मैं देख रही हूँ कितनी डेडिकेशन है, कितना समर्पण है। तो इन सब के लिए मेरी जो शुभकामना है वो मैं आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ कि सुबह का उगता हुआ सूरज आप सबके जीवन को स्वर्णिम आभा से आलोकित कर दे। सुगंधित मंद मंद पवन आप सबके जीवन को पावन अपूर्व सुगंध से भर दे। उमंग आपके द्वार पर दुंदुभी बजाए, चांदनी आपके द्वार पर बंधनवार लगाए, सभी मौसम आपके द्वार पर रंगोली बनाएं और बारिश का रिमझिम जल आपके चरणों को धोए। समस्त खुशियाँ आपके जीवन को अपने आशीष से भर दें और चांद तारे आपके आंगन में फूल बनकर खिल जाएं। तो ये मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं आप सबके लिए और मैं चाहूँगी कि इसी तरह अन्य जो संस्थाएं हैं, शिक्षण संस्थाएं, आपसे कुछ सीखें, आपसे कुछ प्रेरणा लें और अपने शिक्षण संस्थाओं को भी इसी तरह अच्छा बनाएं, इसी तरह अपने समर्पण से बढ़िया करें और सब संस्थाएं फूले भरें। धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Huge round of applause for our presiding guest, Dr. Sushma Singh. No. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries. Thank you so very much. You may take your respective seats.
Now a vote of thanks. So please welcome her with a huge round of applause.
So finally we have come to the end of the program. A very good evening once again to each and everyone present over here. Our presiding guest, Dr. Sushma Singh, MDs of all the MDs of St. Andrews Group of Institutions, parents, esteemed guests, dedicated faculty, and our talented students. I extend heartfelt gratitude for your presence at our annual function, making it a resounding success. Your enthusiasm and support have fueled our commitment to excellence. This event showcased the collective efforts of our school community. Special thanks to the organizing committee, teachers, and students for their hard work. Congratulations to our academic champions. Your dedication, hard work, and intellectual prowess have set a remarkable standard. We are immensely proud of your achievements. May this success be a stepping stone to even greater accomplishments. Keep striving for excellence and remember the pursuit of knowledge, a lifelong journey. This celebration be a reminder of our shared achievements and a catalyst for future endeavor. At last, I would thank the supporting staff. Without their cooperation, this event would not have been so successful. Thank you so much, everyone, once again for making this evening memorable. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
So now, as we have reached to the end of the program, I would request Congratulations, Ayush. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I would request all of you to kindly stand up for the national anthem.
Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Ashish Mange Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
So with this,
you all, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.